Well, one of my favorite things about a typical day here at R&L is there really isn't a typical day. You would pull the trailer in and out of the shop and assess what kind of damage or issues need to be fixed, fix it, and pull it out and bring a new one in. The most common issues that we would have to repair on a daily basis is a nose rail on a trailer, brakes that need replaced, sidewalls that need replaced, things like that. We take preventative maintenance steps to ensure the life and longevity of each trailer. That would be lubricating all the joints. If you see tear in the metal, you would weld it back together. Painting, keeping the paint up on the trailers. Grease the axles on every single trailer. Things like that are all functioning and working well. I wanted to do something where I could deal with a different task every day. You can do that here in the trailer shop. I love working here as a trailer mechanic because of the diversity of problems that I get to solve. Helps, stimulate my thinking, and I love the group of guys that I work around. If you ever need help learning something, trying to figure out how to do something, if you show the willingness to learn, a lot of the guys here will show you what you need to know. There's always something new that you can pull in through that door that you may not have seen yet. Show willingness to learn. Initiative goes a long way, a good work ethic. Another one would be patience. I do think my job makes a difference. It's important to have the trailer in good shape for the safety of others out on the road and the driver.